Okay, y'all, this week we're working with our colored stones. So, of course, my absolute favorite is the teal. So we're going to be working with some of the teal colored stones. And this was kind of like whatever was in my stash kind of thing. So this is actually some stuff I had in my bag. So I was like, okay, I think I want to try to make like a little spring angel, because y'all, when I started looking through some of my pieces, let me pull it out and see if y'all see what I saw. So look, y'all, angel wings, right? So we're gonna make a little angel. Or I had a couple little spindles. These are vintage spindles, but I had two of them in my bag, but they stand. So I really like these, and I had a wood bead that I think would be perfect for the little head. Isn't that cute, y'all? So I'm kind of trying to decide, because these are already like this. I think we might, I kind of like this one, I think I do. And I really just like the natural, that bead, it's already like the natural wood. I kind of love that. So I think we're going to go with it like that. I'm trying to decide if I should crackle this, y'all. I'm trying to decide if I should. You know what? We're going to try it. We're going to try it without painting this. Since it already has that darker, we're going to just try and see what happens. We're going to try and see what happens. Okay, so y'all, I just got the crackle medium and just put it right directly on there. So this is the crackle, y'all. This is the crackle medium. You can get it from Hobby Lobby. So we just got to make sure this dries good for us. And now that we have it on our handy dandy little stick, so we're just going to come in with a coat of plaster chalk paint. There we go. It's already starting to crackle. I love it. And as soon as we dry it, you'll start watching it crackle even more. Okay, y'all, I'm just going to use a little bit of E6000 for that permanent hold. And then we're going to come in with some hot glue for that. So there we have her little head on there. How sweet. And I like it. I like that natural. I like the natural. Okay, so for our wings, these are the pins. They just have the little brooch backs. All you have to do is get you some little, it'll even work with scissors, some little wire cutters, and usually pop right off. So this is going to be the tricky part, just getting them glued on there. But oh my goodness, y'all, look. It is going to be so sweet. So I'm going to try to lay it on there and just kind of try to decide exactly where. Y'all, look. We got them on there. We got them on there. Praise the Lord. Trying to get the glue off her head. There we go. Okay, look. Y'all, is that not too sweet? I mean, we got her. We got them on there. So even the back of these things are pretty. I wanted to do just a small bow. I thought about putting this all around like it's her skirt, but I don't think we're going to do that. I think we're just going to do a small bow in the middle as if it's her hands, because we don't have anything for arms. And then we're going to put another piece of bling right in the center of her. So here's our sari silk. Let me see if I can get this one to tear. Sometimes it tears perfectly, other times it just tears off. But you just take a little snip and then you just tear it in half. That just gives you those thinner strips. So we're just going to take our little bows here, just like so. Because I just want it tiny, I don't want it to be big. You can just do it in just like a loop, kind of like the awareness ribbon. And then smush it together, just gather it together. And there's your little tiny silk bow. So we're going to be putting that on her with a piece of dazzle in there. Oh my goodness. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay, so I had a couple choices. I love the heart. The heart is just gorgeous. Look at that. Or this one kind of looks like a flower. So we're going to see which one we like better once we get this little bow on there. Look. Isn't that sweet? I just love it. Okay, so let's see which one we like better. So these are from the color collection, these in the color teal. Oh, I'm thinking the heart, y'all. They're both really beautiful. So you have this one, or you have the heart. I think I'm loving the heart. What do y'all think? Okay, look. Is that not too sweet? Look at the Totally Dazzled as angel wings. Absolutely precious. And look, she does, well, I say that, let me try it again. She stands perfectly. Okay, yeah, I think she needs a little bit of hair. This is just some moss I picked up at Michael's. I don't know if this is the right kind, but we're going to try to make it work. So I just took a bunch of this moss. We're going to stick it on her head. And then we're going to give her a little bit of a haircut. All right, y'all. Look at her little hair. So cute. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is just too stinking cute. Okay. There we go. How cute. How cute is that? So we just used the teal colored gemstone pack, and we used that to make her wings. And then we used the heart from the same collection, and then we came in with a silver crown. Just using a little spindle. So you can take this and a wood bead and turn it into this. There we go. Isn't she sweet? You know what I just saw, and I have to do it, y'all, because I just looked in my little basket of tricks here, and I see that space on her neck. Well, I think we need to give her a little strand of pearls, or you could take your bling wrap. You could take your bling wrap and put it there and give her some bling. There we go. Look, we gave her some pearls. But you could put something just up the back. You could put a little dowel rod on there or a hanger somehow. And you could use this to stick into your little spring arrangements, whether it be real or faux, and just add that sweet little garden fairy. She could be your little garden angel.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.